Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Low and slow.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Life would be a dream.
Roy, Amber and I will take care of the smaller fire. Think you can handle the big one?
On the tracks. Wake up, lazy bone!
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Major, let's go! You're on!
I hereby dub thee.
for my whole life.
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Yes, yes!
See ya, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't...
Piston Cup. Does the King Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement?
He's been down at...
To feel the wrath of the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen hoy que es el más veloz?
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat...
McQueen no está inspirado hoy.
Soy el campeón Chiquis.
Lightning Dragon McQueen.
I'll take care of this. Dragons!
De racewagen. Morgen takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Zeg takel.
Take that stuff out, okay?
Okay, I got it.
Radiator Springs Grand Prix is about to begin. All spectators, clear the start line.
Order in the court. Seems like my mind has been changed.
And I mean a lot of years, right? I love this guy.
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But...
He's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I love you.
Bumper to bumper as they approach the finish line. McQueen's the winner. Francesco second. And they have...
Dinoco proud. Thank you, King. Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
How does it feel to be Jackson Stewart? Take us through. This way. It was great.
That's me, Chester Whipplefilter.
And I'm Francis Beltline.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Touch the nerve.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
Scopic examination, I have found that it has one small weakness. When hit with an electromagnet...
Ven, tractorcito, ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven.
Macchine cantare con me, duda, duda. Macchine con tutte rotine, oh da.